Alright, this is my Samsung refrigerator. Absolutely love it. It's the centerpiece of my kitchen. You have the water, the cube, the crushed. You can hold it for 3 seconds and lock it out. Open it up. You can see I have plenty of storage space. The ice maker makes 150 cubes. I emptied it out just to make sure. I had someone ask me, and I was curious. Looks small, but it makes a lot. And we have everything in there that we need. More than enough. Humidity control on the drawers. You can see plenty of space. I have a flux drawer. I use it for my children because it's easier. You can change it to freezer if you want. I have it on refrigerator because, you know, small hands, small little drawer. This is the freezer part. Got it crammed full. I have a little slide out drawer for them so they can put stuff that they want in there. My favorite feature is the hub. I got music playing. You can adjust the volume and it goes pretty loud, as you can tell. You can order groceries on here. You can get recipes, calendar, make your calendar sync, temperature, all kinds of apps. I can view inside of my refrigerator. There's the inside of my fridge. Go back. These are all the apps. You can order food online. You can do all kinds of things. Get an Uber, I guess. Uber by Samsung. Grubhub. You can view your refrigerator when you're at the store. All kinds of things. Pinterest. Whatever app you use for music. Do a shopping list to do. You can do a whiteboard where you're leaving messages for your kids. All kinds of nice features. It has really done wonders for me and my children. You can change the settings on your refrigerator. All kinds of things.